Pink hive, a lot of activity, a bunch of drone brood in January. Oh, they seem pretty strong for drone brood. January, still plenty of honey for them. They're not running out of food. Green hive, just a little bit of brood. Not much brood. Yeah, there's brood. There's a queen, but she's just not super active. White hive, we've got some brood in here. There's the queen right there walking around. Well, they've got some honey, but we're using some of it up, but still enough. It's been rainy here, so it's a little nasty, but they're doing okay for January. They're still bringing in pollen and some nectar, but hopefully in another few weeks they'll start warming up and they can really start building up.